Hello, in this video I will be showing you how to delete section on Wix website. So for example, let's say I would like to delete this section right here. All I would need to do is simply tap and select the section. Then once you have done that, you're going to simply right click. After you have right click, you're going to select delete. So you can see right there that the section has now been deleted. And if it is a case that you like to delete another section, so let's say for example this section right here, again all you'll need to do is simply tap and select the section. Then you're going to right click and tap on delete, and that will delete the section as you can see right there. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. So you can simply tap on delete the section as you can see right there. That's how to do it.